Hi guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. I'm Will, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to change the data type of a cell, and also how to filter out undesirable values. So what you'll probably notice is that our date is currently in the wrong format. It's represented as just being a number, right? Instead of the proper format of day, month, and year. So the way that we fix that is we select the column that has the values that we want to change, and then we go over to this number section of the menu, hit this drop down option, and then we select short date, which will put the number in the right format of day, month, and year, right? So in order to get rid of these null values here that are present, we can use Excel's filtering functionality, which we find in the editing section of the home screen, specifically this sort and filter, right? So let's select what we want to filter, and then sort and filter, right? And what you'll notice is now we've got a bunch of drop-down options, right? So if we select open and scroll down to the bottom, then we'll be able to unselect null. And null has appeared at the bottom because it's text, and all the numbers above it are like numbers, right? So let's unselect it. Cool. And now all of the null values have been filtered out of open. And let's check the other columns to see if we've got rid of null. Yep. And it looks like we've got rid of all of the null values present. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.